Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to start your new chapter, line and angles. Includes geometry chapter which will be given chapter 5 in your syllabus, that is excluded from your syllabus. New syllabus which one comes there, this chapter are excluded, that's why here I am not discuss that chapter and I will start your new chapter, line and angles. पूरी मैथ के सिलेबस में हम आपको बता दें क्या क्या चीजें हटा दी गई हैं आपको। पहला तो हमने बताया था पॉलिनोमियल से रिमाइंडर्स थ्योरम का जो एप्लीकेशन था उसको हटाया गया है। उसके बाद एक फार्मूला हमने पढ़ाया था चैप्टर 3 में, पॉलिनोमियल आर.एस. अग्रवाल के चैप्टर 3 में, अदरवाइज एनसीईआरटी का देखो चैप्टर 2 ही है। एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब माइनस 3xyz इक्वल टू जो फार्मूला हमने बताया था वो भी आपका एक्सक्लूडेड हो चुका है सिलेबस से। थर्ड पे आपका एक्सक्लूजन जो हुआ है ये चैप्टर ही पूरी हट गई है। इंक्लूड्स ज्योमेट्री जो था आपका वह चैप्टर ही पूरी हट गई। उसके बाद आप आगे जब जाओगे इसमें मैथ के सिलेबस में तो एक चैप्टर आएगा क्वाड्रिलेटरल। क्वाड्रिलेटरल में एरिया जो था, एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, वो चीजें जो कि हट गई हैं सिलेबस से। रिमेनिंग सारा का सारा सिलेबस एज वेल इट इज है आपके सिलेबस में और रिमेनिंग हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। तो अभी तक का जो था तो ये सब एक्सक्लूडेड सिलेबस हैं आपके जो हमने बताया हैं। चैप्टर 3 में है, चैप्टर 5 इंक्लूड ज्योमेट्री में है और उसके बाद एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल में है। इसके अलावा जो भी चैप्टर है सारे के सारे हम लोगों को पढ़ने हैं। तो आज हम शुरू करते हैं लाइन एंड एंगल्स। एंगल्स की डिफिनेशन, व्हेन टू रे ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम सेम एंड पॉइंट देन एन एंगल इज फॉर्मेड। टू रेज ओरिजिनेटेड, देखिए हम टू रेज दिखा रहे हैं ऐसे, रेज की यही होती है ना, ए रेज ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम सेम पॉइंट ओ। सपोज दिस रेज नेम इज ओ ए एंड दैट इज ओ नेम ओ, रेज नेम इज ओ बी। Shift endpoints, then angle are formed. Then what is the inclination of these two rays? That is known as angle. Angle. And angle how we can represent? Like this we can represent. Angle we can represent by this sign. Types of angle. Types of angle. From previous classes you study this one, acute angle, second right angle, third obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, 6 complete angle, and 2 more angle also. All of you know that. First your complementary angle and supplementary angle. Complementary angle, if measure of two angle is 90 degree, then these two angles are known as complementary angle. If measure of two angles are 180 degree, then these two angles are known as supplementary angle. You see here, which one 6 written, all of you see, acute angle. If measure of angle is less than 90 degree, that angle is known as acute angle. If measure of angle is accurate 90 degree, then that angle is known as right angle. Obtuse angle, if measure of angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that angle is known as obtuse angle. And fourth one given, straight angle, if measure of angle is 180 degree, that is known as the straight angle. Reflex angle, if measure of angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. That angle is known as reflex angle. Complete angle, if measure of angle is 360 degree, that is known as complete angle. Means this angle is less than 90 degree. This is equal to 90 degree. This is greater than 90 degree and less than greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. 180 degree. Divide this one. Greater than 90 and less than 180 degree. This is 180 degree. And here 180 to greater than 180 degree. Greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Here also greater than 180 degree and less than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. This one, and if measure of angle is 360 degree, that is known as complete angle. After this, bisector of angle. Bisector of angle. Bisector of angle means what? We can divide that angle in two equal parts. Suppose this one angle and that is 60 degree. Then this line is known as O, A, B and that is C. C is known as bisector of angle AOB. When AOC and BOC measure are equal, then OC is known as bisector of angle. Again here given interior of an angle, exterior of an angle. Interior of an angle. Interior means suppose any one angle is given like this and points lies suppose A, B, E, C, F, D like this. D. Then interior of angle A, B, E. Exterior of angle D only, and on the angle C and F. Then in this way we can find in some places asking that question. So this is the introduction of this chapter, interior, exterior. After this I will discuss here question which one already you have solved. One by one different types of question I will discuss here. He is saying find the measure of an angle which is 24 degree more than the complement angle. Which is more than the 24 degree complement angle. Example 1 from your R.S. Agrawal book. Example 1, all of you write from your book. Solution you see. Say, find the measure of an angle which is 24 more than its complement. Let angle be x degree and 90 minus x degree. Complement angle यही होगा ना. एक अगर x कर रहे हैं तो दूसरा 90 माइनस x। जैसे आप निकालते हैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल ऑफ 50 डिग्री तो क्या करते थे 90 माइनस 50 दैट इज 40 डिग्री आप निकालते थे। इस तरह से हमने किया है। तो अब ये बताइए यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन हमारा कहा है तो हम लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन x इक्वल टू 90 माइनस एक्स कहा है क्वेश्चन में फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ एन एंगल विच इज 24 मोर देन इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट 24 मोर देन its complement. Then like this we can write 24 degree. X is equal to complement angle 90 minus x plus 24. You see, when simplify this one, x minus 90 minus x is equal to 24 degree. X minus 90 minus into minus plus x is equal to 24 degree. 2x minus 90 is equal to 24 degree. This one also we can bring in right hand side, then minus 90. When you transfer in right hand side, then plus 90. 2x is equal to 90 plus 24. 90 plus 24 when you will add, then how many you get there? 114. X is equal to 57 degree. Then measure of angles we can get here 57 degree. Clear? In this way we can calculate. Example 2 given. Find the measure of an angle which is 32 less than its supplement. Same things given there. Same types of question. No need to solve here. Supplement x and 180 minus x. You will take that angle. X and 180 minus x. Example 3 is saying here. Two complementary angles are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure. Example 3. Example 3. Let two complementary angle be. Sorry, solution here I started. Example 3. Solution. Let two complementary angle B 3x and 2x. Yes, 3x and 2x. अच्छा, तो आप सब जानते हो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल का सम कितना होता है 90 डिग्री होता है। मीन्स इन दोनों एंगल का सम कितना होगा 90 डिग्री। अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 3x plus 2x is equal to 90 degree. 5x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 by 5. 5 on the 5 and 4 remain. 5 at the 18 degree. X is equal to 18 degree. X is equal to 18 degree. Hence angle B 3 into 18. 3x given. X value calculated here 18 degree. So 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree and 2 into 18 is equal to 36 degree. And sum of these two angles is 180 degree. One more example I will discuss here. Given example 5. Example 5 also I will discuss. See all of you. Example 5. Find the measure of angle. Example 5. All of you write from your book. I will give solution. Example 5. Find the measure of an angle if 7 times its complement is 10 degree less than 3 times its supplement. Let angle solution. Let angle be x degree, then its complement angle be 90 minus x degree, and supplement angle be 180 minus x degree. Clear all of you? Complement angle 90 degree minus x, supplement angle 180 minus x. What is saying in this question? If 7 times its complement is 10 degree less than 3 times of its supplement. According to question, 7 times means 7 into 90 minus x is equal to 3 times its supplement 180 minus x minus 10. 10 degree less. 10 degree less than 3 times of its supplement angle. Now we can simplify. 630 degree minus 7x is equal to 540 degree minus 3x minus 10 degree. We can transfer this one in left hand side. 630 degree minus 540 degree is equal to 7x minus 3x minus 10 degree. When we solve this one, then we get 90 degree is equal to 4x minus 10. 4x is equal to 90 plus 10. All of you see here. When you transfer this 10 degree in this side, then 90 plus 10, 100 degree. And this left hand side I will write in right hand side, and right hand side values I will write. I written here left hand side. So that we get there 4x is equal to 100 degree, x is equal to 25 degree. 25 degree means that required angle be, hence required angle be 25 डिग्री. तो ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन है, कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. एक क्वेश्चन में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम होगी एक्सरसाइज में. आप देखो तो ये दिया है, फाइंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंगल. 55 डिग्री का निकाल लोगे, 16 डिग्री का निकाल लोगे, 90 डिग्री का निकाल लोगे, लेकिन फोर्थ पार्ट जो दिया है उसको हम डिस्कस करना चाह रहे हैं. 2/3 ऑफ ए राइट एंगल. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए है 2 का फोर्थ पार्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल ऑफ 2/3 ऑफ ए राइट एंगल. Then what we can get? Complementary means 90 minus 2/3 into 90. 30 degree. 90 minus 2, 32 is 60 degree. But we can get 30 degree. In this way we can calculate the angles, complementary angle. In supplementary angle, then 180 minus this we have to. Clear? Then in first exercise from R.S. Agrawal, no any other types of question. Based on how many examples I discussed, only this one given. Then all of you solve today from R.S. Agrawal 7A, and after this I will discuss in next lecture, in next schedule, your next exercise. Okay, thank you. Best of your luck.